What is up everybody, and in this video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can change your name in Faceit. Okay, so Faceit is an online competitive gaming website where you can enter for games, tournament and other stuff. Well, in this video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your name on that platform. First, you want to go to Faceit's official website and log into your account. So I'm going to do that real quick. I'm going to type Faceit on my search engine and go to his website called Faceit. And once I'm in his website, I'm going to log into my account, which I've already did. And after you log into your account, your name should be displayed over here just like this, and your profile is going to be shown over here. After you come over here, what you want to do is click on this three dot over here, which is at the top left corner. Once you click on the three dot, what you want to do is click on where it says account, your account. Click on where it says your account. You want to click on it. Once you come over here, you can see where it says nickname, right? And you can see the edit button right beside your nickname. You want to click on edit. Remember, to change your nickname on Faceit, you need to upgrade to premium version of Faceit. So I'm not a premium member of Faceit, so you need to pay Faceit. It already says over here your nickname can be changed from the shop for 1000 Faceit points or from here for free by premium users. So you can collect 1000 Faceit point. By that I mean playing games and other stuff and collecting all the coins from Faceit. And after that, you can change your nickname. Once you change your name, it's going to take you 1000 Faceit, or you can basically just upgrade to premium version. But the steps are same. Come to the website, click on the three dot, go to your account and click on the edit button right beside your nickname, and you can change it. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it.